Okay, good morning, student. Algebra paper we have completed. Now today we'll start with the geometry paper, and one more instruction that I have sent two link of YouTube. In one, they have practically shown that how three type of the sticker in SSC board exam they will use. First, your barcode sticker. Second one, holograph sticker. And third one, you have not to use, but after your exam they will use. So regarding that information, original material, they have guided very well. So you just go through that video. And in second video, uh, they are planning for every subject to create a question bank, and that question bank they will provide to each and every SSC board student. So it will take time till March, and definitely you will get in full April. You can do revision on it. So whatever the latest message will come, that I will send you. So be in contact in your respective ABCD group, and that common group, and one slow learner group, and one robotic group. I will send message in all group, but you have to check that you are in at least one group, so you will get proper information on proper time, and you have to check also regularly that any message are coming or not. All converse theorem they have cancelled. You just note that. Question number 1A, geometry. Question number 1A, MCQ. Side of an isosceles triangle is 7. Find hypotenuse. Isosceles right angle. This is 7, 7. This is question. By two way you can find, by Pythagoras. A square plus B square is equal to 7 square. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Second one you can do by formula, that opposite to 45, 45. So hypotenuse is equal to side by root 2. So 7 by root 2. Height is equal to side into root 2. Sorry. Side is equal to hypotenuse divided by root 2. But hypotenuse is equal to side into root 2. So 7 root 2. So hypotenuse is equal to 7 root 2. ABC P. This is 110. To find ABC, so angle B is equal to half of major arc APC. So half of 110, 55 degree. Distance between 5 minus 8 minus 7 minus 3. This is A, this is B, this is x1, this is y1, x2, y2. So distance AB x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. So 5 minus minus 7 minus 8 minus, so it is 12 square. This is minus 5 square. So 12, 12, 144, 25, 169, square root 30. It is side length. So you can't write plus and minus because length cannot be negative. Very good question, very intelligent question. Cos square theta is equal to 0.64. What is sine square? So don't go for square root of this and sine cos is equal to adjacent by opposite and all that. No. See, very simple, you can find out. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 0.64. So 36, 0.36. You can do like this. Suppose cos square, it is a very long method. Cos square theta is equal to 0.64. So cos square theta is equal to 64 by 100. So cos theta is equal to 8 by 10. So it is half of 4 by 5. So cos is equal to what? Adjacent hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras you will get 3. Now sin theta, it is 3 by 5. Sin square theta is equal to 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4. This is 36 divided by 100. So 0.36. This way you can do, but by formula it is best. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So this much is 1 minus whatever the answer is given. So you'll find this. Okay, so do a very smart calculation. So this 4 MCQ completed. Now question number 1B, short question of 1 marks. It's B. In triangle PQR, Q is 90. Length of the hypotenuse is 13. Find PQ square plus QR square. But PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. We want this total square. So PR is equal to 13 square is equal to 169. AB, CD, Y, X. These are congruent they have given. So these are congruent. And one is given 6. What is the other? Check it. That is also equal. So arc AXB congruent arc CYD given. Therefore AB congruent CD. If arcs are congruent, then chords are congruent. Therefore, AB is equal to CD is equal to 6. One is given 6 centimeters, so second is 6 centimeter. Now, P is a midpoint, that is 6, 5 of AB. That is 6. This is 6, 5, this is 5, 6. And this is 4y. So this is 1, 1. X and y. This is x2, y2. Now P, x, y. This is a midpoint. P is midpoint of AB. Therefore, Pxy is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Now this is 5 and 6. 6 plus 4 divided by 2. 5 plus y divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2. 5 plus y divided by 2. So this is equal to this. 5 is equal to 5 you got. 6 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. 12 is equal to y plus 6. Y is equal to 12. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 10 by 2 is 5, so 5 and 5 tally. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. Y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 6. 6 to the 12 is equal to y plus 5. 5 from right to left, so it is minus. 12 minus 5 is equal to y. So that is 7. So how much is this? It should be 7. So 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 half is equal to 6. By formula also you have to tally. This is also very important question. Two, three, four. Two, three. X we have to find out. In triangle PQR, AB parallel to RQ given. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, PA AQ, PB BR, 2 by 3, 4 by X. So 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. X is equal to 6. Now one more very important question, question number 2A first. Question number 2A first. Many times they have asked same question, same question. Question number 2A first. After observing diagram, you will come to know that this is which question. Ten centimeter. PQS, this upper area is equal to 100 centimeter square, lower is 150 centimeter square. PQRS, this is the question. X, upper area given, height given, base not given. So area of triangle PQR is equal to half into height into base is equal to half. Height is equal to PM into base QS, area of triangle PQR. This is 100 centimeter square. Height is given 10, QS not given. So you can cancel 0, 0, 20. So this is 20 QS. Now we will use QS. Area of triangle QRS is equal to half height base. What is height? NR. What is base? QS. Area of triangle QRS. This is given 150. NR question. QS we got 20. So we'll cut 0, 0. We will cut this. So NR. Very systematic, you have to find out with upper area that is given, height given, so find out base. Now base given, height is not given, area given. Upper triangle, area and height given, find out base. For lower triangle, area and base given, so find out height. Next one is very easy. Diagram is also very easy. Big circle, concentric, another circle, and here big radii they have given 10 centimeter. Small radii they have given 8 centimeter. Find out tangent. PCM. So it's very easy. First of all, PC perpendicular to CM. Tangent radii perpendicular theorem. And PM is equal to 10 centimeter. R1. PC is equal to 8 centimeters. Radius 2 given. So in right angle triangle, PCM PC square plus CM square is equal to PM square. So PC square is 8 square. CM we want, this is 10 square. CM square 10 square minus 8 square. A square minus B square. So always A plus B, A minus B. So one time plus, one time minus. Correct. So CM is equal to plus or minus 6. 6 6 36, but it can be positive also, negative also. So this is a distance always positive. Sin theta is given 144 by 145, I think 130. Find cos theta. Sine means opposite by hypotenuse. Theta opposite, suppose it is 144, hypotenuse 145, this is x, correct. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 144 square plus x square is equal to 145 square. So x square is equal to 145 square minus 144 square. Again, a square minus b square, one time plus one time minus. So it is 289 into 1. Correct? So it is 17, I think. So it is 17. Correct? From that square root. So this is 17. Now cos theta. Cos theta is equal to adjacent hypotenuse. What is adjacent? What is hypotenuse? What is BC? What is this? By formula also you can do. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That is also a very good method. Question number 2b. This is also very good question. This type of question always they ask. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR. And given 9 time area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 time area of triangle LMN. So area of triangle PQR, this goes down, area of triangle LMN 16 divided by this goes down 9. Okay, and area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle LMN is equal to QR square by MN square. So from this and this we can write 16 by 9 QR square by MN square. Okay. This is given. This is ratio of similar triangle, ratio of area of similar triangle from first and second, taking square root. So it is 4, 3, QR, MR, MN. Sorry. So QR it is given now 20. 4 5 numerator you can cut, denominator you can cut, one side numerator denominator also you can cut. sorry 5 3 are 15. Mn length and breadth of the rectangle are given. Find hypotenuse. It is given 35, 12, diagonal. Quotidianly, ABCD is rectangle. Given. Second, therefore, measure angle B is equal to 90. Angle of rectangle. Third, therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, Pythagoras, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. So 12 square by Pythagoras theorem. Substituting 12 12 are 144. This is 1225. When it is 5, no, 4 5 you take 25. What is remaining number? 3. Next number 3 4 are 12. 12 25. If it is 75 square, 5 square 25. 7 8 are. If it is 115, 5 square 25. 11 into 12 132. When unit place is 5, you have to find out the square. For 5 you will write 25. What is the remaining number? That number multiply by the second number, join that two number, you will get the square of that number. This I have explained before also many times. Five 4 9 2 4 6 2 1 3. This is 1. It will be 37. So this is 37. AC is equal to 37. Next number. Draw a circle with the center 3.1 centimeter. Center over is a 3.1 centimeter radii. Point on a circle. Draw a tangent circle passing through the point using the center. .1 centimeter circle. To take a point on a circle, direct from the radii, draw one ray. So automatically it will cut the circle at one point. That is your one point where you have to draw the tangent. From that point, this This is suppose center. This is suppose P point on a circle. From P less than radii, cut both the side. Then increase the arc length more than radii from this 2.1, 2. From here 3, 4. Now intersection point join with the intersection point P, Q, R, S, T and ray mark. Here perpendicular mark. This all things you have to mention in your fair diagram. Correct? In rough may you can show all the things or may not. Okay, but in fair, arrow mark is must. Wherever the intersection point, that labeling is must. And one radii is given, no? Only one measurement. Somewhere here also you can show. This is 3.1, or you can show this is 3.1. Any one side. Pratiksha, how many minutes remain? Pratiksha?
5 minutes, sir.
Very good. So one long question we have that I want to complete. P 1115 Q, this is A point, 15 5, B 920, somewhere it is P 11 15, M is to N question. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is xy, this is mn. So pxy original formula mx2 nx1 divided by 2 my2 ny1 divided by 2. Formula is must. You have to remember, you have to by heart all the formulas first. Without preparing formula, entry in maths exam not allowed. You just keep in mind. Without formula, if you will go 100% fail, because without formula, what you will do in exam. So P 11 15 mx2 plus nx1 by mn. See, I have written wrong by. Okay, sorry. M plus n. Now y 2 1. Now 2 1. So 20 m 5 n is equal to m plus n. By any one ratio, you will get the correct answer, but I will show you by both the way. So 11 is equal to 9m plus 11n m plus n. By this or by this. In exam, you have to show only one. Cross product 11m 11n 9m plus 11n. Something I have written, I think, wrong. This is 11. So 15. Correct. 11m, 11n, 9, 15. Okay, m is bigger, so 11m minus 9n. 15 is bigger, jump this side, minus 11n. So this is 4n. This is 2m. Cut with 2. So m by n is equal to 2 by 1. So mn is equal to 2:1. Cross product again. Any one you have to show. I am showing both. 15m plus 15n is equal to 20m plus 5n. 15n minus 5n. Correct. So 10n, 5m, 5 2s are. See, 2n is equal to m. So m by n is equal to 2 by 1 because 2n, 1n. So m is 2, n is equal to 2:2. One more question is there.